Shifaka lemurs in one of the hottest and driest places in Madagascar. The trees provide some shade, but with midday temperatures that can exceed 45 degrees, the heat up here soon becomes unbearable, especially for the babies. But Shifaka have an unusual and clever way to cool down. If only they can find the right tree, they hug it. The Salvadora tree is one of their favorites. These trees draw up cool water from deep below ground, so their trunks are a few degrees cooler than everything else around. And some trees are so popular, there isn't an inch to spare.